Om Aim Bhim Gleam Chamundaya Viche. 108 times, 108 times. Into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5 times. 5 malas, 6 malas. Can't you spare 5-10 minutes? Increase your sanskar. Your spiritual culture increase. Once you increase your spiritual culture, then you will see the result of it within 10 days. You do this kind of a sadhana, 10 days. Then again, just take a break. Again 10 days. Do it, 10 days take a break. 10 days, do it. So let this sanskar be filled up inside you, since you are now in that different field. So you do that, then you will be fine. The whole beauty is that. There is a whole thing. Once you do that, then see, your own body should now sink in with your brain. When the body sinks in with the brain, then the brain will start commanding what we call it as that autoimmune system. When the brain gives a command for the body to have an autoimmune system, andre deha is filled with lot of immunity. God blessed for us is we have at least 20 to 25% of immunity. The water what we drink, the air what we breathe, the food what we eat, they all have an autoimmune system mode. So we eat at all odd times. So many things we do. Then what happens? There is always an autoimmune system. So once there is an autoimmune system, then equivalent to that, the exact equal opposite thing is we also have, the body has an auto response system. Once we have an autoimmune system on the left hand side, and on the extreme right hand side we also have a auto response system with an autoimmune system. So once autoimmune system, then for that auto response system, then we start feeling in our body and brain, if I eat this, it's not okay. If I eat this, it is okay. To a certain extent, it is okay. So we have our body, what God has blessed us with, auto-immune system and an auto-response system. You have to understand how is the autoimmune system working, how is the auto-response system working. We have to psych ourselves up. For each and every small things, we cannot go on taking a pill. ಸಣ್ಣ ಪುಟ್ಟ ವಿಚಾರಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವು ಮಾತ್ರೆ ನುಂಗಬಾರದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ our body has 20% autoimmune system and we also have 20% of our body auto response system. So both has to come in line with line. This is where God's grace comes. ದೇವರ ಕೃಪೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ it fills us with that autoimmune system and an auto response system. So God's grace fills us in both the ways, so that our hands club together, come together, so that we have that autoimmune system and the auto response system. That is why we say, just let us see for half an hour, 45 minutes. Just relax. We will see half an hour. Again, if the symptoms persist, then we will have a response system. ಅರ್ಧ ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲು ಗಂಟೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, half the system, both this autoimmune system and auto response system, we get panicky because the mind is not calm. So what happens? The mind, the mental state is not calm. That is why we immediately think, no, something is happening to me. Oh my God, I have already lost this. I am losing this. I am losing this. So to gain something, we go on a negative energy system. A negative energy system makes us see our mind become so hyper, so claustrophobic that we are able to immediately swallow some pill. Then we feel relaxed. That is wrong. Because everything, both the autoimmune system and the auto response system will have a very strong effect if our mind is weak. The mind is very weak. What you do? The best is invoke God's grace. You think, you need not think, oh, I have to go contact Guruji or do this, do that. Don't worry. Just go 5 minutes. Have a small prayer. Om. 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 So when you have this small prayer of Om, immediately it calms your breath. So when the breath is calm, then that auto response system starts working. This auto response system is so effective that we have a calming effect. In medical technology, it is called as a placebo. Once when you invoke this autoimmune system with an auto response system, in between it draws a fine line so that in that brain, the most important thing is in the brain is what we call it as a placebo theory. The mind calms down. Just the mind calms down. Oh, allowing the mind to calm down. That is called as a placebo. No drugs, nothing. Just a soft music if you can. A soft music, if you allow that music to play in your head, automatically you will be very calm. It is this auto-immune system and combined with an auto-response system, we have in between spirituality called as Om. That simple Om is what we call it as a placebo theory. See what happens in a bus or in a train or in a vehicle when you are traveling. If you can revoke and invoke this Omkara silently, automatically that is a placebo on your brain. Just close your eyes and just enjoy that peace. ಆ ಬ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪೀಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ then you will see within a matter of 2 minutes, 1, 2. So within 2 minutes you will find yourself calm without reacting to any situation. That's why, we say, no, just 2 minutes, just calm down. People, they get perturbed. If you just try, 2 minutes, just calm down. That is why when people come to see me, I make them wait 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Just let them calm down. Then whatever their thoughts are, their thoughts will be more streamlined. Why? Because they are breathing. Because they are naturally breathing. So when they are breathing, what happens? The thoughts come down. So then either it may be an autoimmune system or in the auto response system. So I collect both of them. Then I ask the Divine Mother to work. And that work is called as intuition. I allow, that's how my auto response system, and they will be surprised. Why? Because it is intuition. This is collecting all that autoimmune system, and that autoimmune system makes my breath to churn out auto response system in the form of intuition. You people can also do that auto response system. If you panic, then all the three systems go haywire. Autoimmune system goes for a 6. Auto response system goes for a toss. So there is no question of putting 2 plus 2 is equal to 8, 2 plus 2 is equal to 200, 2 plus 2 is equal to 800, 2 plus 2 is equal to n to the power of n. Because you don't know how to calm down. Remember, the brain has to work. The duty of the brain is to only work what? Not in idealistic conditions. The brain is supposed to go on giving ideas after ideas after ideas. 21,600 times you breathe in and breathe out every day, and 21,600 breaths will give out so many ideas, and those ideas are fantastic. It is creative ideas. It is creative ideas. You are supposed to be creative. You understand that fact. Every man is supposed to be creative. Why you are not creative? Because your brain is filled with all nonsense. Your brain is not filled with any essence. You think going to God and going to temple will bring out that essence. Nothing of that sort. You have to calm down first. Remove all those thoughts. How do you do? Just nothing. Auto-immune system and auto-response system. Your brain is supposed to have that kind of an IQ, intelligence quotient. Today your brain does not have anything very effective. You are only operating in collective conditions. Even your collective conditions of your brain is absolutely worthless. Tell me, when one idea has given an impact on the people around you, have you ever nurtured a creative idea? Have you ever nurtured a creative idea? Why? Because there are so many other things which is bothering you. You find out yourself, what are the other things which is bothering you?
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.